Welcome everyone. Welcome, Cooking with Nicole. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Really do appreciate it. Guys, like up the stream as you enter, guys. Like up the stream. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, I just get up. Just get up. That's when that old fake dropped me. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Well, top of the morning to each and everyone that is here in live stream. Good morning to you all. Girl, not too long, wake up. And so today, I have a few things that I will be doing this morning. Guys, like up the stream, guys, as you enter, like up the stream. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Right. Right here. Welcome. Guys, my hair is a mess. Thank you for the like. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for being here, guys. And I just got brush my teeth. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna warm the food, get something to eat. I'm gonna get something to eat, guys. So I made some soup last night. So what I will be doing, I'll be warming up the soup. Can just come with me. So guys, I'm gonna just warm up the soup. Welcome, welcome. So a few things that I will be doing. So while the soup are going warm, come with me as I clean off the top of the fridge. The top of the fridge clean off, guys. Welcome, keeping up with Kim. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Guys, this is what I keep my food in. Should I just wanna dust it off? Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I don't know what you put there and retract. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Guys, if it, when we say the fridge has sweat, it's sweating. It's really, truly sweating. I need to get some sugar. I need to get some sugar. Even though I hardly use sugar, I hardly use sugar, so I don't really bite. If anybody comes here and want sugar, they would have to buy it. Because I'm trying to lose the weight. And I don't want the bag of sweetness in my system. Okay, keep this water. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let me see. Can make you guys see. So, guys, I made some soup. So, Irish spring water, naturally alkaline. This is the water that I drink, guys. Irish spring water, naturally alkaline. Yeah, and it tastes good. And this water is from Portland. Yes, guys. So I'm waiting. What the hell did I just do? Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. So, guys, now I'm gonna leave that for it to finish boil. Not boil, hot up. I'm gonna mute the mic a little bit because I'm gonna go down the road and come back. Welcome, guys. Sorry about that. I went down the road for planting. So I have that to look after for my lunch. Welcome, everyone. Guys, I get breadfruit off of the tree when I have outside. Yeah, get breadfruit. I'm not really such a dumpling fan though. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Sorry about that, guys. Breadfruit that I got from off a tree. Welcome, my beautiful people. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget to like up the stream, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Guys, I'm sorry, so hot. It's hot. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Yes, some say the kitten then come up here. Thank you guys so much. We have 5% here and we only have 2 thumbs up. Come on, guys. Please go ahead and thumbs up the stream, guys. Mm. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Mm, 113. Not that. Guys, there's something me search right here. Mm-mm. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Guys, the personal message I'm not finding. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Welcome, welcome. Aaron, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome, thank you. Thumbs up the stream. Can you give me a thumbs up, please? Then thank you. That's my tell you, the way the breadfruit hot, it's scorching my literally scorching my tongue up. Welcome everyone, welcome. Now girl is a proper foodie now. As guys, when we saw the time cold here in Portland, it's really and truly cold. Hmm? Too short my have on. I currently have on two shirts to how cold the time is. Welcome everyone, welcome. I want to ensure that I get all my carrots. You guys want me to say the soup pepper? No pepper? Oh god. Soup is so peppery. Because I bought the pepper, the spicy cut soup, and I didn't realize because gonna really read, we just pick up things. Because I didn't even know that they had the spicy one. Welcome everyone. I'm drinking some soup. Some soup I made last night, so I just warm it up this morning. Because I have to be drinking the soup a lot since lately. Because over here, when I say cold, over here in Portland, cold bad. So I made soup that could last for 2 days. So this is the final day. I have a little bit more left over. So in the lunchtime, I'm gonna have that with fried plantain. Yeah, it's good. That's trust me. It's the only thing that can keep you warm is soup this time. Thumbs up the stream, guys, as you come along. Yesterday I wanted was to do a video, but to how cold I was, and then my phone wasn't working 100% good. So I'm gonna have enough memory on my phone, so I'm gonna have to just because ship came yesterday in Pennsylvania. And what I'm saying, at the first time in history, welcome, Travel Sound TV. The first in history I have ever gone to Port Antonio and smell coffee that strong. Let me, it smelled enticing. And you know, there was a lot of white person yesterday in Port Antonio. So they had police all over patrolling and all that. Even though Portland people not gonna do tourist anything, but they still had a lot of police out and about. And when I let me tell you, you can tell that most of them just graduated from training school because clothes well clean, look brand new. Not saying that Portland police is not clean or anything like that, you know. But you know, like when you just take a shirt or a suit out of a plastic wrapper and it look really new, that's how their uniform looked yesterday. You know, see no sunburn uniform or anything like that. But let me tell you, the coffee smells so good. I'm not gonna lie. The coffee is when I was living in Birmingham. That's the only time I smell coffee that strong. Never smell coffee that strong in Jamaica before, so I don't know where that ship came from. The ship requires a security because of the level 2 travel warning of on Jamaica. I understand that. I do understand that. And I don't wrong them honestly, but I'm very unfair for us. It's very unfair because all right, there's not a lot of tour guide here in Portland, you know. I don't know about anywhere else, but there's not a lot of tour guide here in Portland. Maybe because there wasn't enough ship coming to Portland. But all the tour guide back down Ochi, no one is messing with anyone. Exactly, because let me tell you something. Portlander would love to start see ship start coming back to Portland more often. So why would they jeopardize losing everything by messing with a tourist? No, they're not gonna do that because they want the income. let me tell you, there's a lot, even though the market got burned down, but there's a lot of persons in Port Antonio who still sell their craft and stuff like that, their little beads and stuff. But trust me, I think they need to fix back the market so that when tourists come to Portland, they have something to look at. Because I was born and raised in Portland, and there's nothing here in Portland to look at right about now. Because the craft market got burned down, where people used to go and sell their craft, sell their little beads. They have to be out in the park or out on the Pesa. So let me tell you something. They need to fix up back Portland so Portland can look like how Portland used to look. Because you could have just walk in at the craft market and purchase any item that you see, even if you are a local person and you're not a tourist. You get the opportunity to go and mingle with persons who are selling their stuff. No one is okay. I read that one before. So let me tell you. But yesterday, oh God, I don't know if the ship is still there in Port Antonio right now, because as I said, I live out of the town. I live way out of the town and so. But let me tell you, the coffee. I don't know what about the coffee yesterday, but I was even saying to my sister, because my sister said to me, "How she smell coffee?" I'm saying, "Yes, you're smelling the coffee because tourists is here." So they want to entice the tourists to come and purchase coffee. But why? Yes, our coffee tastes good and stuff, but for the whole of square there, so right right in the area of where the post office is, a farmer building is, and Portland is a great destination for eco tourism. So all they have to do is to develop the river and the nature trail. Yes, let me tell you something. We have beautiful water here in Portland, one of the most amazing spot. There are a lot of little hidden spot here in Portland, but I don't think the government is doing much to develop the area so that tourists can get to come along. And I think we need some tour guide here in Portland as well. Because trust me, my sister did a video. He only posted on TikTok. And let me tell you something. When I see that video don't need no editing or nothing at all. The view is amazing, the waterfall, everything is so amazing. The only problem, me afraid of height. And because I cannot swim to save even my life, I'm afraid to go certain places up in a bush where you're surrounded by a lot of water. But trust me, if they clean out these places and make it easier so that tourists can travel in and out of those areas, trust me, the tourists don't want to come lock up in an hotel. They don't want to come look on the things them where they want to be out mingling with locals. No, local need to develop some of their own place and market it. People will come for it. So true, so true. So let me tell you something. Hats off to Drizzy Burke, because trust me, Drizzy Burke always finds some nice little chill out spot. You see, even Nancy Davis, there's a river called Nancy Davis. I did a vlog up there once, and let me tell you, that spot, it's good. The Rio Grande River meet in that water. But let me tell you something. If you cannot swim, let me emphasize on it. If you cannot swim, do not go in that water. Because you see, when it catch about 3:30, 4 o'clock, the water it named Clean Davis now. I don't know why they call it so, I don't know why they call it so. Because I always ask why they have to name it like that. I don't know if they name it after somebody or what, but I really need to find some more information on why they name it that. But let me tell you something. It's when it catch 3:30, 4 o'clock, the river start to come down heavy. So if you cannot swim, nobody going at it. Don't bother going at the water. Just leave the water alone. And the next thing, you see, if you come to Portland and you're going in the water and you hear the local people that lives around and use that water every single day tell you not to go at a certain spot, please listen, because Portland water have a lot of spinning hole. Portland water have a lot of spinning hole. And let me tell you something, when that water, when they go in that hole, right? Until it spin back. So these are the things that person from Kingston and all about leave to come to Portland and don't go back safely. Yeah, it's just got to 10K subscriber. You got to 10K subscriber? Congrats. So let me tell you something. You see, if you cannot swim, nobody go in there. Because let me tell you something. And they say that Rio Grande don't like stranger. Let me tell you something. I cannot swim, and I remember the first time I went to Rio Grande, and I went with my neighbor as a little girl. I went to Rio Grande, and I just feel something I move. I just feel like me I move. So me say, how me I move? And when I look, to my behold, when I look, Lord Jesus, I just feel the water as I push me away. Let me give you a blue jacket. I feel the water I push me away. I have to get up and run out of the water. I have to get up and run out of the water because if I did stay in that water, but no, the water would have carried me straight into the spinning hole because I was sitting not too far and not too near the spinning hole. Because you have somebody from my here that went there and went to dive in the spinning hole and never come back out. The water just have him there for I think it was 2 days and then spitting back out. And these are people that know of the water and use the water. So Nancy Davis is also linked to the Rio Grande water. And let me tell you, when it rain, I wouldn't suggest nobody to go there. I wouldn't suggest you going there when it's raining. You see, if worse like oh we having rain like every single day, because I don't know why. I don't know if because we are surrounded by a lot of tree and stuff. What I call it forest. Why we having so much rainfall, but every single day that God bless, we get rain. Especially here in my community and stuff, we get rain like every day that God send. Right about now, I'm hoping that no rain about to fall this morning. This morning the rain started to drizzle. And I wanted was to wash my hair, get my hair washed, dye my locks and stuff. And because of the rainfall, I am afraid to put any cold water in my head right about now because you know that spell head cold, right? Head cold is one of the hardest cold to get rid of. Welcome everyone, welcome. Like and share the stream, guys, as you enter. Like and share. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter. Guys, here outside that woodpecker making noise. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone, welcome. Guys, normally I would have like an orange and an apple at morning time, but my orange finish, my apple finish. I may have to go back in the town and get some orange and apple and cucumber. So that's what I normally have in the morning. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome my beautiful peeps. So guys, this is my second channel. My main channel is Vibes with Sexy Juliana. Welcome, welcome. What's that beside my name? Mm. Guys, all the fall in my come look something for eat. We have some like a come and fall outside. Here. And then my fall or not, you know. They just come here and stick here. Okay. Sis, which one of your channel did I join? Vibes very sexy Juliana. This one here, don't monetize again. Me soon come off of the live stream here and go over there, go do a little live stream, you know. I got end the live stream here and go on it right about now. If we go do a live stream because I'm gonna get for doing a live stream and me I try to get back views and stuff like that. So I'm gonna end that one here right about now and go live. See you in a bit, sis.